In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money online from Google AdSense. Complete free course. By the end, you'll understand exactly how AdSense works, how to set it up on a website or YouTube channel, and how to grow your earnings the right way. Google AdSense is a free program that lets you show Google ads on your website or YouTube content and earn money when viewers see or click those ads. Your revenue typically comes from CPC, which is cost per click, and CPM, which is earnings per thousand impressions. You can use AdSense on a website or blog and on YouTube. Social media alone isn't eligible. Most beginners start with either a blog or a YouTube channel, then expand later. Pick one path first. Focusing makes setup and learning much easier. If you choose the website route, begin by selecting a profitable, AdSense-friendly niche. Topics like how-to tutorials, tech and apps, education, finance, and health and lifestyle tend to perform well. Avoid restricted content such as adult, gambling, or pirated material, as it will lead to rejection. Next, create your site using a free platform like Blogger or opt for WordPress with hosting for a more scalable setup. Use a clean theme, make sure the design is mobile-friendly, and prioritize fast loading speeds to improve user experience and ad performance. Write content that aligns with search intent. Tutorials, comparisons, reviews, how-to guides, and problem-solving articles work well. Aim for original posts around 800 to 1500 words and keep them helpful and clear. Quality content brings qualified traffic, which advertisers value. Before applying, make sure you have a privacy policy, about us, and contact us page. Missing these commonly leads to rejection. Then head to AdSense, add your website, paste the verification code, and request a review. Approval can take a few days up to 2 weeks. If you prefer YouTube, build a channel that meets the monetization threshold, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million valid public shorts views. Tutorial, explainer, review, and educational videos are great options. Apply through YouTube Studio, link a single AdSense account, wait for approval, and enable monetization. Traffic is the lifeblood of earnings. For websites, focus on SEO and complement it with platforms like Pinterest, Facebook groups, Quora, and Reddit. For YouTube, craft SEO-friendly titles and descriptions, create compelling thumbnails, and use shorts for faster growth. To increase earnings, place ads above the fold, inside content, after headings, and before the footer. Beginners can start with auto ads, then refine manually. Improve RPM by targeting high-value keywords, writing buyer intent content, speeding up your site, and attracting visitors from higher-value regions. Payments are monthly with a $100 minimum and typically arrive via bank transfer. Verify your address PIN and make sure your bank details are accurate. To scale, publish consistently, consider multiple sites over time, add affiliate marketing, and combine AdSense with SEO and YouTube.